Bhaktir Bhavati Naishtiki.
Bhaktir-bhavati
Bhakti
Naishtiki.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Rama.
Rama,
Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Rama
Rama
Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna,
Krishna, Hare Hare.
Krishna
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna, Hare
Hare Hare.
Hare.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Rama.
Rama,
Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Rama
Rama
Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare.
Hare Krishna, audio is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
Prabhuji. Hare
Prabhuji.
Krishna,
Very
Prabhuji.
clear.
We have Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Okay, this is my other laptop. It doesn't need anything actually. Okay, great. So today we will talk about some other topic. Today, yeah, this is the topic today. Today is appearance day of Advaita Acharya.
Merci Balmiki. Sri
Hare Krishna. Om Jnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishnaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshai Shunyavadi Pashat Deshatarine. Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu
Prabhu
Nityananda
Nityananda.
Yadvaita
Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasa.
Gaura Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So today is the meditation on Advaita Acharya. Please also note something you have to contribute. After I finish this, you can contribute. If you can think about Advaita Acharya's first thing is that the name is in a Pancha Tattva, Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. So everybody is chanting this mantra before chanting the Hare Krishna mantra. Is it so?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes,
Yes,
Prabhuji.
Prabhuji.
Yes.
This is Pancha Tattva. Pancha Tattva. There are 5 tattvas in that. And one of the tattvas is Advaita Acharya. Okay. Advaita Acharya is very unique. His position is very unique. He is a combination of Mahavishnu and Shiva. Another way, sometimes it says he is Sadashiva. Okay, there are various manifestations of Shiva. Sadashiva, there is Rudra, but this is Advaita Acharya. Okay. If you have a reading of Chaitanya Charitamrita, it says that once Shiva went and prayed to Mahavishnu, something should be done. How we can save the people. Now, when we look at the position of Kali Yuga, we feel definitely bad. Even the Lord feels bad. So, therefore, he came down as Advaita Acharya, as a combination of Shiva and Vishnu. And therefore, we see that Lord Shiva is also participating in the Leela of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He also participated as Advaita. And the picture you're seeing is very famous because one of the main things, Advaita Acharya, when he came to this world, he was vigorously preaching. But he found that people are not so taking interest in spiritual life. A very materialistic society that we also see many times, different places. So he used to think, what can I do? So he started praying to Lord Chaitanya, can you do something? These people I'm unable to. In fact, he used to hold regular Kirtana and Pravachana. And a lot of people used to attend, including the elder brother of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So he was the one who prayed actually. He prayed intensely for the Lord to appear. And they remembered the specific verse which says that if you offer to the Lord tulsi and water, he becomes sold to a devotee. So therefore you can see him offering tulsi and water to Shaligram and praying to the Lord, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, to please come. So this is one of the main contributions of Advaita Acharya. He brought Lord Chaitanya to this world. This is we sing. दया करो सीतापति अद्वैत गोसाई तव कृपा बोले पाए चैतन्य निताय. You are so kind, merciful. If you are kind to me, naturally Lord Chaitanya Nityananda will also be kind to me. This is the prayer we sing every day. Advaita Acharya, the combined incarnation of Mahavishnu and Sadashiva. His two consorts, Sita and Shri, are the manifestations of Yogamaya. Okay? Yes. Advaita Acharya appeared in the village of Navagram near the city of Silhet. Now this is in Bangladesh. As the son of Varendra Brahmana, Kubera Pandita, and his wife Nabadevi on the 7th day of the waxing moon in the month of Magh. Okay, so this is 1434. So how many years it becomes? How many years? Almost 600 years, just little less than 600 years. When Kumera Pandita and Navadevi disappeared, Advaita went to Gaya on the pretext of performing the appropriate rituals of mourning, and thence continued on pilgrimage to love all India's holy places. So he has from Bangladesh, that time it is one place, not east and west. And then he toured all over India holy places. When he came to Vrindavan, he became absorbed in the worship of Krishna. But through his meditation, he was able to understand Krishna was about to appear in our deep. In fact, at this time when Advaita Acharya came to Vrindavana, he was the first one to locate the deity of Sanatan Goswami, Madan Mohan deity. That's another thing. I don't know whether it is mentioned here. Okay, but understand that Krishna was about to appear. Okay. He came to Vrindavan and became absorbed in the worship of Krishna. Yeah, it has come here. He discovered the deity of Shri Madan Mohan or Madan Gopal, which he later entrusted to the care of Chaube Brahmin in Mathura before continuous tour. Deity was later served by Shanatana. This actually, the Lord comes in the dream of Chaube Brahmin to hand it over to Sanatan Goswami. And similarly comes in Sanatan Goswami's dream that I want you to take care of me. So this also is there. Okay, interesting. Advaita Acharya had two residences. One is Shanti, and other one not far from Shiva's home in Navadip, Mayapur. So there are two places he had. His heart was greatly pained at seeing that the people of the world were devoid of any devotion to Vishnu and were as a consequence greatly suffering the pains of material life. So we don't benefit by forgetting the Lord. People are suffering. The people are suffering because of separation from the Lord. That is the main. Now we see people in this world, we think how we can make them happy. We think if physically they have food, they have residence, they will be happy. Then we feel something, we feel something. But actually, unless they come in contact with Krishna, they can never become happy. So you could see the cause of their suffering. Overall, with compassion, he began to teach Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavata and explaining that the purport of the scripture was to engage in devotion service to Krishna. So now you can see this is the heart. Now when we are doing, we are mainly bothered our own self, but there is something else happening here. He could actually feel. The purport of the scripture was to engage in devotion service to Krishna. In fact, for Vedavyasa also it said he saw people unnecessarily suffering, and therefore he compiled Srimad Bhagavatam, so that by hearing Srimad Bhagavatam people can be benefited. The same way he is also feeling that unnecessarily people are suffering, so why not I teach Gita and Bhagavatam? We started teaching. At another instant, Madhundapuri arrived in the house of Advaita Acharya. Advaita Acharya saw Puri Pada's prema. He felt a great, deep inner joy. He took care to receive the mantra from him, after which Madhunda left to continue the voyage to South India. So he also has met Madhundapuri and served him. Madhundapuri is in, in our parampara, he is a person who ecstatic love for Krishna started from him. It is said that Mahabhava, the highest ecstasy of Krishna consciousness, was manifest in the heart of Madhavendra Puri. Apart from him, it is Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Radharani. So, really very, very blessed personality. We hear about the pastime Madhavendra Puri. He discovered the Gopal deity and then he served the Gopal deity. He was also the spiritual master of Ishwar Puri, who is the spiritual master of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Advaita Acharya appeared, found the world devoid of devotional service to Shri Krishna because people are engrossed in material affairs. Everyone was engaged in material enjoyment, whether sinfully or virtuously. No one was interested in the transcendental service of the Lord, which can give total relief from repetition of birth and death. Seeing the activities of the world, the Acharya felt compassion and began to ponder how he would act for people's benefit. So, this was the situation here. Advaita Acharya thought if Sri Krishna were to appear as an incarnation, he himself could preach devotion by his personal example. So the Lord comes, then, maybe he can do it. I find it difficult. Just imagine people of Kalyuga are so difficult that even Advaita Acharya, Lord Shiva, gave up. He said, maybe if Krishna comes, something can be done. These people can't be delivered. So difficult. In this age of Kali, there is no religion other than chanting of the holy names of the Lord. But how in this age will the Lord appear as an incarnation? I shall worship Krishna in a purified state of mind. I shall constant petition him in humbleness. So he is seeing the suffering of the people. He is trying his best, but he's feeling a revolution is needed. Not that few people come and attend my katha, that is already happening. But I want the whole world to be saved. They are thinking they can be happy by forgetting Krishna. They are thinking they can be happy without devotional service to Krishna. But this is wrong. They need to be guided. He's thinking in that way, Advaita Acharya. So I shall worship Krishna in purified state of mind. I shall constantly petition him in humbleness. So he's thinking in that way. My name Advaita. And very interesting. Many people think Advaita, so we have in our Sampradaya an Advaita sannyasi. No, he's not Advaita. Advaita, he's non-different from Krishna. See, in Vishnu Tattva there is Advaita. Therefore, there is a shloka where it's Advaita Achyutamanadi Ananta Rupa. So Advaita Acharya is actually non-dual. Vishnu Tattva is non-dual, one person. My name Advaita will be fitting if I am able to induce Krishna to inaugurate the movement of chanting the holy names. While you were thinking how to propitiate Krishna by worship, the following verse came to his mind. Shri Krishna is very affectionate toward his devotees, sells himself to a devotee who offers him merely a tulsi leaf and a palmful of water. This is a verse I remember. Does this link work? I can read this verse to you. Yeah, this is the verse. Tulasi dala matrena jalasya chulukena va vikrineta swam atmanam bhaktebhyo bhakta vasalaha. Shri Krishna, this is from Gautamiya Tantra. Shri Krishna is very affectionate to a devotee, since devotee offers him merely a tulsi leaf and palmful of water. Let us go back. Advaita Acharya considered meaning of the verse in this way, not finding any way to repay his debt he owes to one who offers him tulsi leaf and water. Lord Krishna saying, there is no wealth in my possession that is equal to tulsi leaf and water. Thus the Lord liquidated the debt by offering himself to the devotee. Considering in this way, Advaita began worshipping the Lord. Uh, Thinking of the lotus feet of Sri Krishna, I constantly offered tulsi buds and water from the Ganges. So this is what we can see he's doing, and he's praying, Lord, please come down. I request you. The people in this age are in great difficulty, and they are so foolish. I cannot stand to see their suffering. The more they forget Krishna, more they suffer. But the idiots don't know anything. So he's praying. Beautiful. He appealed to Sri Krishna with loud calls and thus made it possible for Krishna to appear. Therefore, the principal reason for Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu descended this world is his appeal by Advaita Acharya. The Lord, the protector of the religion, appears by the desire of his devotee. So it's not that, there is in the Shastra, it is said that Kalo Sankirtan Arambe Bhavishyami Sachi Sutaha. It is said, Kali you got to start the Sankirtana Yagna, the Lord will appear. But there is no force on the Lord. He need not come, even though he's there in the Shastra. There is no force. Just like, you have to go somewhere. You may not go. We have that much freedom. So Lord need not. Therefore, Advaita Acharya's appeal is there and the Lord appeared. Okay, right. This is the appearance of Advaita Acharya. And then it's very beautiful that he's joined the pastime later of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This is he was part of this beautiful pastime. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaur Bhaktavinda. Because more paintings. He's there in the Sankirtana of Navadip of Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. You can see so many beautiful. Oh, this is a very amazing pastime. This is the time that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas. You can see his head is shaven up. So when he took sannyas, he was going to Vrindavan. And Advaita Acharya and Nityananda Prabhu felt bad. They had a meeting. There's something we should do that Mother Sachi at least can see once. And the residents of Navadip also, they love Chaitanya Mahaprabhu so much. Can they spend few more days with him? He has just abruptly just left. He went and taken sannyas. What should we do? So yes, they made a plan. So Nityananda Prabhu was behind the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and both were dancing in ecstasy. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was in meditation on Krishna as Radharani going to Vrindavan, and Nityananda Prabhu was behind him dancing. So at that time, Nityananda Prabhu told Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I know all the path because from childhood he had traveled. So I know all the path, and he was dancing behind him this way. And he was also telling the people to misguide. So whenever Chaitanya Prabhu asked somebody, which way to Vrindavan? So they were on the instruction Nityananda Prabhu telling the wrong way. And finally, instead of going to Vrindavan, they landed nearby Shantipur. And now the banks of the Ganges. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, have I reached Vrindavan? Then Prabhu said, yes, we reached already. Oh, really? So fast? Yeah, so 3 days. So fast we reached. Yeah, we have been dancing very fast. And then I don't think you can even run in 3 days. That is the distance. And then after that, he asked Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went to the banks of the Ganges and started offering prayers to Yamuna. Started offering prayers to Yamuna. And after that, Advaita Acharya appeared in the boat. So Chaitanya Prabhu started thinking, wait a minute, so fast Yamuna appeared, I am already suspicious. And secondly, what is Advaita Acharya doing in Vrindavan, in a boat? So he asked Advaita Acharya, he was suspicious, is this Vrindavan? So he said, wherever you are, that is Vrindavan. So that's the joke happened. And then he was suspicious, very, very angry at Nityananda Prabhu. Then Nityananda Prabhu said, that's all right, whatever happened, it happened. Anyway, see, you are wet now, you don't have another set of clothes. So better we go to the house of Advaita Acharya, change our clothes. And Chaitanya Prabhu said, okay, fine. So they got in his boat and he took to his house. And when he went to the house, Advaita Acharya with his wife, Lord Shiva with his wife, had prepared unlimited number of items. Chaitanya Charita explains it's like a huge feast. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu see that feast, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, I like to touch the feet of somebody who has made such a big, beautiful offering to the Lord. And then after that, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, give me a leaf, little items. But Advaita Acharya shouts at him, I know who you are. As Jagannatha, you're eating so much. So please don't make any drama, sit down and eat. So now he starts serving the huge feast. You can see so many pots all around. Even now in Jagannath Puri, that's how they serve in display pots. And that's how he has prepared with his wife, huge feast. And he starts serving them. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, enough. We should not eat so much as a sannyasi. And he is, what do you say, offering whatever. And this goes on for some time. And Nityananda Prabhu is watching. And as they finish some, so you can see the rice is like a mountain, some 10 kilo. And the vegetables, as they finish, he's replenishing again. So then Nityananda Prabhu says, as a joke, I was fasting for 3 days. I thought today we are going to eat something, but what you are giving is nothing. This will not fill even half of my stomach. So Advaita Acharya understands. In the same mood, they always joke. He says, see, you are a sannyasi or you are a mendicant. You should not be so demanding. You should be happy with whatever is given to you. And the Nityananda Prabhu says, what prashadam we are given? He takes little grain of rice and throws at Advaita Acharya. And Advaita Acharya knows this is Balaram, actually. And when the grain of rice touches his leg, he starts dancing in ecstasy. And, but he speaks something reverse. You have spoiled my dharma. You don't know what to do, like that. It's a very interesting, humorous pastime. Advaita Acharya appearance, you can see them again, some painting of them dancing. This is also in Jagannath Puri. He used to every year go for the Rath Yatra, taking a team, and there used to be great festival. You can see. Prabhu kahiha amara koti namaskara, ei nivedana tanra charane amara. At the end, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu pastime is sufficiently developed and people have taken to Krishna consciousness, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to South Indian too, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went to Vrindavan, and thousands of devotees are coming in Jagannath Puri, taking the shelter. Chaitanya Advaita Acharya felt, now this is the time. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu stayed in the world for 48 years. And Advaita Acharya felt, now the job is done. So therefore he said, Prabhu kahe amara koti namaskara, ei nivedana tan racharane amara. Very simple Bengali, we can also understand. Baula ke kahiya loka haila baula ke kahiya hate na vikaya chaula. Please inform Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is acting like a madman, that everyone here has become mad like him. Inform him also that in marketplace, rice is no longer in demand. That means, my Lord, you've done your business. Now you thank you. You can, just like the deities, we do that. We invite them, we offer the bhoga, and then we send the deity back. So he has invited the Lord, and now he says, my Lord, thank you. You did the job. Job is done. Take it. Now everybody has become mad like him about Krishna consciousness. Take it. No longer the rise in demand. Now the mission, your mission will continue. You have done the job. Baulu ke kahiya kaya nahi ka aula, baulu ke kahiya iha kahiya che baula. Further telling those now mad and extra, no longer interested in metal world, also tells Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that one who has also become madman ecstatic like Advaita Acharya has spoken these words. I told this, and so because of your bringing Krishna consciousness in this world, now nobody is interested in the metal world. Everybody become mad in ecstatic love. Okay. So when we will become mad in ecstatic love, and become disinterested. How do you know that? Because disinterested metal world. Taraja Shuni Mahaprabhu Ishat Hashila Tanre Ye Agna Bali Mauna Dharila. After hearing the equivocal sonnet by Advaita Acharya, Sri Chaitanya very quietly smiled. That is his order, he said, and then he felt silent. So Advaita Acharya becomes silent after, so Chaitanya Mahaprabhu becomes silent, understanding now that is his order. Okay, so this is the beautiful pastime. Some words about Advaita Acharya. Anything more anybody can remember about his pastime? Yes, anybody remembers anything else from Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita about the beautiful pastime of Advaita Acharya? Please tell me, trigger me, we will discuss that. Anything else? Yes, Adi Deva, what do you remember about Advaita Acharya? Anything? Nobody? Days go,
Hare
life,
Krishna,
yeah,
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
yeah,
Once Advaita Acharya invited Haridas Thakur to a Shraddha, and
yeah,
Haridas Thakur told that, why you are giving me, I am not befitting for it.
nice, very nice. Thank you, Mataji. This is Advaita Acharya invited Haridas Thakur for Shraddha Patra. Okay? And actually, it is given to the best of the Vaishnavas. So Haridas Thakur said, "Why you are feeding me? I'm not even a Brahmana. I'm from a Mlecha family." So Advaita Acharya says, "Feeding you is equal to feeding millions of Brahmanas." Very important. So he didn't bother about all these things. Yes, Pujya Vrinda Mataji, what do you remember?
I mean, I'm just one small thing I remember after reading. I mean, years ago I read Chaitanya Charitamrita. See, Advaita Acharya, who he was sitting alone, thinking of something. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he comes and says, "See, what are you thinking?" I mean, he's feeling tired. Is it the time to leave your body? He asks Advaita Acharya. That's what I remember, Prabhuji.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, any other pastime?
Hare
Hare
Krishna Prabhuji, pranams. Prabhuji, was there a pastime where Sachi Mata said something about Advaita Acharya influencing Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to take sannyas and be,
Elder brother. Elder brother.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
She felt that Advaita Acharya is responsible, and she was particularly for the elder brother. And she had in that way committed an offense because she felt bad, angry at him, as generally it will happen naturally. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu made her uh, take forgiveness for that. Very nice. Yes, Pran Chaitanya Prabhu, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji, Dandavats, Prabhuji.
Yeah.
Prabhuji, the pastime where Advaita Acharya always used to consider Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to always consider Advaita Acharya as superior because of he being the god brother of his spiritual master. So when Advaita Acharya decided to make Chaitanya Mahaprabhu upset and angry so that he treats him like his servant, and he started pretending to preached the Mayavad philosophy. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu became very angry and beat Advaita Acharya.
Yeah, that's very funny pastime, very funny pastime. So Advaita Acharya was always, a little uneasy that, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gives him so much respect and he wanted to be subordinate. So one day, he knows constitutionally always Mukhya is Krishna. So in that way, he's a subordinate constitutionally. But, as externally in this world, he is the god brother of Madhavendra, sorry, the disciple of Madhavendra. So in that way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu becomes like a disciple. So he wanted once Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to chastise him and, treat him like somebody junior. So he started preaching Mayavada externally. The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came over. He heard that. He came running in great anger. What nonsense you are teaching? Then Advaita was so happy. Yes, very good. Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Any other pastime you can remember?
Prabhuji, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas and Nityananda Prabhu and devotees guided him to Shantipur, saying that this is Vrindavan and the Ganges is Yamuna. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saw Advaita Acharya coming in a boat with a fresh set of clothes, and he was astonished. Advaita, how come you are in Vrindavan? And Advaita Acharya said, Mahaprabhu, wherever you are, that place is Vrindavan. So
Yes.
right, you are in Vrindavan. And then he took him home and fed him lot of prasadam.
Yes. He and his wife Sati had made a huge feast. Get it? Yes. Very nice. Thank you. Yes. Any other pastime? Can you remember Advaita Acharya's pastime? If he had with us now, he would have told us so many pastimes. Atul Krishna Prabhu. दया करो सीतापति अद्वैत गोसाई तव कृपा बोले पाए चैतन्य निताय. Yes, anybody? Beba. Nobody remembers anything? Advaita Acharya?
And there is a conversation between Lord Nityananda and Advaita Acharya. This is for non-devotees, it looks like they are quarreling each other. But internally for his devotees, it is understood, it is
We discussed.
understandable that
They are
they are
having great
philosophically
fun.
talking.
Yes. Chalo. Great. So, yeah. So there is the same conversation we are talking that Advaita Acharya and Nityananda Prabhu, they seemingly, well, okay. Anybody can locate that in Chaitanya Charitamrita? We can
Hare
read.
Krishna Prabhuji, the pranams.
Yeah.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yeah, tell me.
Prabhuji, when Advaita Acharya first came to Mayapur, did he hide somewhere, if I'm not mistaken, and then Mahaprabhu figure out that
That's interesting. That's interesting. Yes, it did happen. That is the house of everybody hides in the house of Nandana Acharya. And that's when even Nityanand Prabhu hid there. And he was thinking, is he the Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Then he should know I have come. He's the Lord Krishna. So he goes and hides, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu comes with Sankirtana team, and he gets confirmed, yes. He belongs.
Hare Krishna
I
Prabhuji, the
said, very
pranams.
interesting. You only called me and now you're not able to recognize me. In fact, we heard little from Atul Krishna Prabhu how he used to, Mother Sachi used to say, because the elder son used to attend the classes of Advaita Acharya. So she used to send Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to bring him. So, and he didn't know, he's my Krishna whom I called. So then he used to look at him, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, as a very, very beautiful boy. He could not take his eyes away from him. And he will come and, brother, mother is calling, and take the elder brother away. Yes, Vishwarupa. Yes, you got Pran Chaitanya Prabhu?
Yes, Prabhuji, I just shared with you Madhya
Yeah,
chapter.
chalo, so let us go there. Very good. There we are. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, here is you. We share. Or the mock fight is going on.
Yes, Prabhuji.
I think
Uh,
it is previous verse.
uh,
Yeah, it is more. The whole fight is many verses.
This 194 purport Srila Prabhupada says, discussion between Advaita Acharya and Nityananda was a mock fight to serve as a great instruction for
No,
all
that's
devotees.
okay. But where does it start? Which sloka does it start, the mock fight?
Let me
90.
Huh?
90. Okay, 1 second.
90.
Okay. This is no, this is not in the instance of the house when he has taken Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nityananda. That's another time.
Oh,
Oh, they have many
let
mock
me
fights.
search that. Yes, yes.
They have many times. They're just having fun. Balaramji and Shivji, correct? The kind of mock fighting, 188. Advaita kahe avadhuter sange eka pankti bhojana karulu na jani haba kaun gati. I am sitting in line with the unknown mendicant because I am eating with him. I do not know what kind of destination is awaiting me. Prabhu ta sannyasi unhara nahi apachaya, anna dosha sannyasi ira dosha nahi haya. Shri Chaitanya the renowned sort of like, consequently, he does not recognize discrepancies. As a matter of fact, a sannyasi is not affected by eating food from anywhere and everywhere. Nana doshena maskari eishasa pramana amito grahastha brahmana amara doshastana. According to Shastra, there is no discrepancy in a sannyasi eating in another house. But for a household of brahmana, this kind of eating is faulty. Janma kaula shilachara na jani yahara tare sange eka pankti bade anachara. It is not proper for householders to dine with those whose previous birth, family, character, and behavior are unknown. That is referring to Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda kahe tumi Advaita Acharya, Advaita Siddhanta Bade Shuddha Bhakti Karya. Nityananda Prabhu immediately referred Advaita Acharya, saying, you are a teacher of impersonal monism. And monistic conclusion is the great hindrance to progressive pure devotional service. Your name itself is inauspicious. तुम्हारा सिद्धांत संगे कारी यही जाने एक वस्तु बिना से द्वितीय नहीं माने. One who participates in an impersonal monistic philosophy does not accept anything but one Brahman. Anyway. हे न तुम्हारा संगे मोरा एकत्र भोजना ना जानी तुम्हारा संगे कैचे हाय माना. Nityananda Prabhu continued, you are such a monist. Now I am eating beside you. I do not know how my mind will be affected in this way. So this is their sweet pastime. Ei mata dui jane kare bala bali vyaja suti kare dune yena gala gali. Thus they both went on talking and praising one another. Although their praise appeared negative, appeared as if they exchanged all ill names. So this is the pastime, Advaita Acharya and Nityananda Prabhu. This is one place. Anybody located the other place?
I've just shared Prabhuji, other also.
Other, thank you. Let me look. Chalo. Okay. Okay, just wait. I am in that. I should share also. I will forget sharing. Tore nimantrana painu tara fala, tora jati kula nahi sahaje pagala. Advaita jokingly said, my dear Nityananda, I invited you, and indeed I have received the result. You have no fixed caste or dynasty, and by nature you are a madman. He said, Chalo, can have that fun today. Apanara sama more karibara tare, jhuta dile vipra bali, bhaya na karile. To make me madman like yourself. Okay, now this actually is few verses before. First, Nityananda Prabhu speaks something. Okay. दोनों व्यंजने भारी करे ना प्रार्थना प्रभु बले न आरा katakari va bhojana. After filling a pot of vegetable, Advaita requested them to eat more. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, how much more can I go on eating? So he had made basically he had made a mountain of rice, That's a big pastime. So after, ठीक है. So, he was just, made a mountain of rice and had pots of, vegetables and dal. And if they take little, he will again fill it up full. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, how much can I go on eating? Acharya ke ei diya che taha na chadiba, ekhane ye diya tara ardhe ka khaiba. Advaita said, please do not give up whatever I have already given to you. Now, whatever I am giving, you may eat half and leave half. Nana yatna danya prabhura karaila bhojana acharya icha prabhu karila purana. In this way, by submitting various humble requests, Advaita made Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nityananda Prabhu eat. The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu fulfilled the desire of Advaita Acharya to serve him. Okay. Nityananda kahe amara peta na bharila, lana yaya tomara anna kichu na khaila. Nityananda Prabhu jokingly said, my belly is not filled up. Please take away your food. I have not taken the least of it. Now he's again the same conversation has started. Eta bali eka grasa bhata haita lana ujaleta pela age yena krudahana. After saying, Nityananda Prabhu took a handful of rice, threw it on the floor in front of him, as if he were very angry. Kya hai khana? Bhata dui chari lage acharya ange, bhata ange lana acharya nache bahurange. When 2 or 4 pieces of thrown rice touched his body, Advaita began to dance in various ways with the rice still stuck to his body. He was actually in ecstasy, but he speaks something else now. Avadutera jhuta lagila mora ange, parama pavitra mora kaila eidhange. When the rice thrown Nityananda Prabhu touched his body, Advaita thought himself purified with a touch of remnant thrown by Paramahamsa Nityananda. Thus he began dancing. Tora nimantranakari painu tara phale, Tora jati kula nahi sahaje pagala. Advaita jokingly said, my dear Nityananda, I invited you, and indeed I have received the result. You have no fixed caste or dynasty. By nature, you are a madman. Apanara sama mora karibara tare, jhuta dile viprabali bhaya na karile. To make me madman like yourself, you have thrown the remnants of food at me. You do not even fear the fact that I am a Brahmana. Kya karte ho bhai? Nityananda bale, ei Krishnera prasada, iha ke jhuta kahila, tumi kaila parada. Nityananda replied, these are the remnant of food left by Lord Krishna. If you have taken them to be ordinary remnant, you have committed an offense. You are telling jhuta. Shate ka sannyasi yadi karaha bhojana tabe I aparada haibe khandana. Shri Nityananda Prabhu continued, you invited me at least, if you invite at least 100 sannyasis to your home and feed them sumptuously, then your offense will be nullified. Acharya ke hinna kari ve sannyasi nimantrana, sannyasi nashila mora sabasmeti dharma. Acharya replied, I never invite another sannyasi. It is a sannyasi who spoiled all my Brahminical smriti regulations. Eta bali dvijane karaila achamana, uttama sayate laila karaila shayana. After Advaita made the lords wash their feet and mouth, took them to a nice bed and made them lie down to take rest. Okay, Hare Krishna. So you heard something about Advaita Acharya and Nityananda Prabhu joking. Hare Krishna, Sandhya Mataji, Hare Krishna. Yes, anybody has any more memory of any other pastime? Okay, then we conclude. Hare Krishna, everybody. So pray to Advaita Acharya to be merciful so that by his mercy we can get devotion to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhara, Vasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare
Prabhuji.
Let us now give the Lord.
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna
Prabhuji.
Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam.
Krishna Prabhuji.
Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Yeah.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram
Hare
Ram
Krishna,
Ram
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Krishna
Hare,
Krishna,
Rama
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Rama,
Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Hare
Rama
Hare,
Rama, Hare
Krishna
Hare, Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Rama
Krishna
Rama,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare Hare,
Hare,
Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Krishna
Rama Rama,
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Hare,
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Rama, Hare
Krishna
Rama,
Krishna,
Krishna
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Hare, Hare
Krishna
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Rama
Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Rama
Rama,
Rama,
Rama
Rama Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Hare,
Krishna
Hare
Krishna, Hare
Krishna,
Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama,